Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Recently I have started creating dot mandalas based on color palettes of fruits, and this is one such dot mandala. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in brown. I'll keep some dots in light brown. I'll keep some smaller dots in light brown. Now I'll keep some cream yellow dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some dots in yellow. Now I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep plumpy dot in brown. I'll drag these dots into swipes. I'll keep some light brown dots now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I prefer keeping a plumpy dot and making it into a swipe because this gives a lot of control in terms of the shape you want. I'll keep two more side swipes in cream yellow. I'll keep some more side swipes in chrome yellow. I'll keep some dots in chrome yellow. I'll create an eye shape out of these dots. More than an eye shape now, I think these dots are looking like diamond shape now. What do you think? Is it looking like an eye or a diamond? Let me know in the comments. I'll keep some cream yellow dots now. I'll keep some dots in brown. I'll keep some light brown dots. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some more light brown dots. I'll keep two side swipes in light brown. I'll work the dots in the light brown again. I'll keep some brown dots now. Now I'll keep some cream yellow dots. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some more dots in cream yellow. Now I'll keep side swipes in cream yellow. I'll work the dots in cream yellow now. I'll keep some brown dots now. I'll keep some dots in chrome yellow. I'll work the dots in chrome yellow. I'll keep some more dots in chrome yellow. I'll keep side swipes in chrome yellow now. I'll work the dots in chrome yellow. I'll keep some brown dots now. I'll keep straight swipes and light brown. I'll keep 2 side swipes in cream yellow. I'll keep some more side swipes in chrome yellow. I'll keep small top dot in light brown. Now some top dots in cream yellow. Now I'll keep some top dots in chrome yellow. Which fruit do you relate to with this color palette in this dot mandala? Please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.